Alright, today in this video, guys, we're going to discuss how to get fog lights on a Honda Civic that didn't come with fog lights. Alright, so basically what it boils down to on this here is you have to take this whole front clip off, which I was surprised. You can't access it enough. There's two screws inside, like right in here, that you have to take loose from the inside, and also you have to mount the housing inside before you put this cover on. So if it didn't have those two screws back there, you could probably do this from the outside, but to try to get all this off, because it has little clips all the way around, would take forever. So it wasn't too bad to get this off. I tried to film most of it if I could. Now there's better videos out there on how to take this off. I didn't really film how to remove it all, but on top here, basically you start with all these, working your way around up front, and on these two here, there's a little slot down in there. You take a screwdriver to pop this little trim piece out, and then that pretty much has your top loose. Now on the side, there's two screws here and your wheel well on each side. All you have to do, take those off. That covers your side here. Underneath, of course, I would try to show y'all, but it's kind of hard to see. Underneath on both sides, there's a 10mm here and a 10mm on the other side, and then about halfway in between, there's two torque bits. You unscrew those. Everything else going around is going to be these clips. And once you pull all those out, take your 10mm and your Torx bits, side pieces, the ones up top. You got to take a little screwdriver right in here, and there's a little pop thing, so you just kind of slide it in there, kind of tweak it just a little bit and pull, and then from there just kind of start pulling from the side, and this thing will just kind of plunk out. But just watch it or you'll end up messing up your paint. And it just has basically some clips right down in here that can start popping loose. And then from the inside, you'll see on the video how I screwed the lights in and then just snapped this cover on. And that's how you install a factory looking fog light assembly. Now I'm going to have to go back and install some H11 LED bulbs in here, because right now I just have the halogen and we're trying to go all with LEDs, so I'll have to order some of those. Other than that, it looks pretty good. This really wasn't, like I said, a tutorial on how to exactly move the front clip. There's a lot of those already out there that some guys did that are really good, and they go all the way down and all the way down below to show you every fastener. I just kind of give you a rundown of it. I'm just showing you the mods I do. I don't really like trying to do a whole tutorial thing on this, but it's not that bad. At first I was like, I don't want to tackle this whole front clip. Might not be very fun. Yeah, at first I was like, man, I had to take the whole front clip off? God, Japanese, what y'all thinking? But yeah, that's basically the only way to get around it. I tried to even take these little cover off in the middle here to try to access to get in there, and still wouldn't work. But yeah, as you can see right here, the two screw holes, and then everything else is just these little clips that go all the way around. But you got to pry them up to get them out. So it wasn't too bad. I mean, typical probably import Honda stuff. You know, I'm used to over here working on old school Chevy GMC. Anyway, I like the look of it. Just wanted to make some more features here to make it look like it's more of a higher end model. So hopefully you like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Till next time. Keep it simple. Keep it sweet.